we are in the finals of America's Got Talent. How are you feeling?
I'm nervous. I hate dress rehearsal. Oscar? Yeah, this is live. What?
Oscar,
Darcy, don't worry about him. But more importantly, do you think the camera's getting my good side? What?
Oscar, yeah, guys, get it together. We're about to perform in front of 16 million people. Terrific, and I have a faded mouse and a bunny who thinks she's a diva.
Say what?
Yeah. All right, Oscar.
Oh,
Guys, we need to figure out who's going to sing tonight.
Obviously it should be me. I'm the reason we're all here. Excuse me? I'm the reason we're here. I got us to the semifinals. I'm the better singer. No, I'm the better guys. Shh. Okay, Oscar. Exactly which one of us got the golden buzzer?
Petunia! Guys, you shouldn't fight. You need to work together, like some of the famous duos like Laurel and Hardy, Hall & Oates,
Simon and LB? Well, at least 2 out of those 3 are good examples. Sorry.
You know what? Guys, I think everyone here is wanting us all to sing. So I was thinking that we could sing a song. It's by Paul McCartney and John Lennon. It's called With a Little Help from My Friends.
Whoa. That's funny. A mouse and a bunny singing a song written by 2 Beatles?
Well, great. So, guys, what part am I singing?
Darcy, you just stand there with your mouth closed like you always do. Yeah, hit it. What would you do if I sang out of tune? We'll just stand up and walk out on me. No. Lend me your ear and I'll sing you a song. I will try not to sing out of key. Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends. Yeah, I get by with a little help from my friends. Oh, I get by with a little help from my friends. Yeah, come on. Do you need anybody? Oh, I want somebody to love. Could it be anybody? Oh, I want somebody. Yeah, come on, Oscar. Oh, somebody. Yeah. I get by with a little help from my friends. All I need to do is get by. Sing it, Petunia. Can I try with a little help from mine? Take it home, Oscar.
Darcy's got a duet up in here. Oh my goodness. Look at you guys. Okay, Mel B.
Oh,
This is your girl.
Gosh. I know. You are just hands down incredible. You are just, you're so poised. And I still don't know how you do it because I try and watch for your mouth moving and you are that professional. You're amazing. Oh my God, I'm running out of breath. You're amazing.
This is what I think about you, Darcy. Tonight, again, I've just witnessed a star emerge because that's what you are. You are special, incredible, funny, talented. I think you're going to win.